That looks incredible.
I'm scared. What do I do? Dan, get away from the bull. Hey, you guys, we're here today in Berkeley.
Yes.
Heading towards San Francisco.
Yes.
We have a very exciting video planned for you today. I made a few things happen, sent a few emails, and now we're on our way to pick up an Onyx Motorbike.
What is an Onyx Motorbike, you might ask?
We don't even know. I saw this thing on my Instagram, and it was just an ad suggested to me, and I was like, I need one. So now we're gonna go pick it up, and we're gonna show you guys exactly what it is. And I believe it goes 60 miles per hour.
60 miles an hour, glow. We're gonna kill ourselves today.
I don't know about no 60.
So we're gonna head into the city right now. We're gonna go to their HQ, pick it up, and then bring it back to our HQ at the Braille House.
That is headquarters for those guys that don't know what HQ stands for. Nigel, we're here. We have arrived.
We parked right in front of their door.
Right in front of the door.
Hey, how's it going? Is Michaela here?
No, Michaela's down in LA.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She said we could, or she was gonna lend us one of these?
Yeah, De Leon.
Yeah, Gabe, nice
Nice
to
to
meet
meet
you.
you guys.
Yeah,
Nigel.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So this is our PSL. It's like our pumpkin spice latte. It's pretty basic. You got three speed modes. It goes up to about 60. You're usually hitting about 20, 40, 60, anywhere from like that.
Okay.
So like you can kind of switch through all the modes right here. If your display is on, your throttle's live. So don't be messing around with throttle if your display is on. Front brake, rear brake, both calipers, but you also do have with the rear brake, you have a regen brake in the motor itself.
Cool.
So anytime you're using that rear brake, you are getting a little bit of power back to the battery.
Okay.
Anytime you're also using that this regen brake, your throttle's gonna be cut. So it's like either one or the other, you gotta use either throttle or brake. So if you're trying to like corner or anything like that, your throttle's gonna be cut if you're braking. That's pretty much it. If you guys wanna
This thing's amazing.
hop on.
Let me switch lenses real quick, and then I'll let you do the honors.
I would recommend grab a helmet.
It's a good idea.
Can you hand me one of those?
Yes, I can. Anyone that looks good?
Is there a
They are
small
all
headed
different
one?
sizes. What size are you wearing?
He's got
Tiny
the
head.
smallest head imaginable.
Let's grab you a small one.
Oh yeah, we're in there, baby. Oh baby.
Oh, you look like a dirt
Oh
biker.
my god. Oh, he's gone. He's gone.
This might be the worst thing we ever gave Nigel.
I know. He's gonna cook it right here. Look. Oh my god.
We're good.
Oh.
We 100% need one of these.
I knew you were gonna say
For
that.
transportation purposes, I could get you from 0 to 50 like that.
How's the acceleration? How is everything?
Dog. So for you, I would say start on eco. Sport mode, like I've ridden dirt bikes and stuff, so I kind of understand where I need to
I've literally
position my
never
body.
ridden anything like this
But
in my
literally,
life.
if you like, for sport mode, if you're like this, lean back, and then you pull it, it instantly is gonna lift you back.
We need to put this in the car.
Can I try it one time, please?
Yeah, let me put it
On
on.
eco. Let's go eco. I'm just gonna cruise. I'm not gonna go fast.
Oh, okay.
This is like the Jetsons' big brother. Like big brother.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I want to see you get comfortable to where you put it in sport mode, honestly.
Bro, this is the most fires thing ever. I got my Harley. Damn, where are you? What's up?
Yo, imagine if Aussie shows up, you should race his bike.
I think this might take it on
It's
the
electric.
launch.
It's like the Tesla of bikes.
They beat Tesla to it.
Bro, all right, we got to get this back to the Braille
All right,
House.
one more run.
All right.
Yippity doo dah, baby.
Jeez.
I literally just now realized there's a speedometer right here.
We got a bunch of stuff on
Yeah, I didn't care to look down because I'm like going fast enough to like I'm paying attention.
Yeah, you can't really look down when you're going that fast. We're gonna need a piece of wood to drive it into the back of the truck.
there. You think we can just lift it?
No.
Dude, this thing is so sick. Why would you show me that? Oh, no.
Okay, so typically when it's in its normal position, you can unlock right here, and then the back of the cover will come up. The whole thing will slide back. There's a tongue underneath here and a tab that it has to clear so you can pull it back far enough. You can go up at the top, pull forward far enough, and then the back will come up, the whole thing comes up. And here's the battery.
Wow.
Beautiful thing.
And then same thing in reverse to put it on, move the whole thing forward, and then you just lock easily.
Easy peasy. It's got keys. That's cool. Is it this
That
specifically
is
for
alarm.
that?
Yep.
No way.
Yeah.
What does the lock and unlock do?
So both is unlock, lock, and then there's arm. Anytime that the bike is actually locked and the bike gets like moved at all, the siren will go off, but then it'll also lock the rear wheel.
So what happens if I push the
One
lock button?
time, one hit unlock, double hit power.
Nothing.
So one hit unlock, double hit the lightning. There you go.
I want one so bad.
All right, well, we're gonna have the most fun week of our lives.
Yeah, I
Thank
bet.
you so much.
Thank you
No
so
problem,
much.
guys.
Appreciate it.
You guys have a good one.
So much.
Is it one wheel or?
No, it's a bike.
Oh.
It's 140 pounds.
What are we, Power Rangers? Whoa! Whoa! Hey. I don't think y'all
Oh my
can
God.
both lift it.
We'll help you guys.
But I think
Is it
All right,
heavy?
hold up, we'll help.
yeah, it's hella heavy.
It's Power Rangers right here. You see this on?
All right, we've made it.
Where are we going?
I don't know, wherever you're going.
I don't know. You're gonna follow me?
I mean, I'd like to. I don't know who's gonna take me.
Got my keys.
Oh, let's go, Mogs.
After you. Oh my gosh! You see my tears?
No.
Bro!
Do you need glasses or something?
I'll be alright. Wah, wah, wah. Hands down, best bike ever. If it's considered a bike. You guys want to race? Hey, we're gonna race.
Okay.
The super bike. Oh no, I want to race him. You want to race?
He's down.
This is gonna be interesting. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm pretty sure that was really illegal.
Dude, if this were like able to go on the freeway and maintain like 70, 75 and have a longer range, they would be killing the market.
Do you think Tesla will make one?
Well, they have the ATV, so I'm sure Elon's got a couple things in the works. But in town, like if you live in like San Francisco or a city like that where you want to move around, 100% recommend one of these.
Oh, he's brave, man. I don't have my seatbelt on, huh? Hey, you low key, you had that car for a sec.
Like, if this picked up a fraction of a second, I would have stayed with him until he hit like second or third gear, then he would have been out. But dude, it's got some pickup. Dude, oh man.
Yeah, bro.
I want one so bad now.
After seeing you riding it, whoever lives in the Bay Area should.
Dude, it's
Yeah,
perfect.
they should
Like,
get it.
you can just takes 4 hours from dead, charge it.
Or in just in general, big cities.
And that was just sport mode. I was in sport mode the entire time. There's normal mode, which isn't as aggressive, and then there's eco.
Yeah, you were hopping and you were skiing.
Wop, wop, wop.
Yeah.
I love this thing. It's weird. It's on the
I should use both.
No, that is your front
Okay.
brake. This is your back brake.
Oh.
Is it in easy mode or what?
Hello.
And what, is there like any key to turning?
Nah, just
It's like a
lean.
regular
Go.
bike.
It's like a
just
bike.
lean.
just go.
Don't turn me.
Just go. It's like a bicycle.
Wait, so no one's gonna be on the bike with you?
Yeah. Okay, so it's on the safe mode, right?
I wouldn't say it's safe, but it's
Oh my
The
god.
relatively.
This is such. right, Jason, that's good.
I'm done. I got no control in this thing.
Jesus Christ.
All right, let's load her up. All right, we're good to go. Where are we at?
We are in the hills of somewhere around Lake Chabot. And we're gonna go on some trails.
It is nice and pretty out here.
It is nice and pretty out here. So we're on a dusty trail out here in Alabama. We got some cows crossing the road. Hi cows, how are you doing? That looks incredible. I've never been up here in Lake Chabot. No trespassing by order of the Sheriff's Department. So we're not gonna go in there. We're just gonna turn right around and head back to the boys.
Nigel's doing whatever he's doing. Mowgli's just becoming the king of the hill. You want to hit those rocks?
Get to the rock. You know. Exercise is bad.
It's not good.
It hurts the body and the soul. Why are we doing this?
I don't know.
Why are we doing
We
this?
literally don't need to be up here.
And Nigel's not even here. He just went away.
That's what I'm saying.
So we're just a bunch of people filming ourselves walking up a hill.
Yeah.
For no reason. He's got points.
He's got a huge point. Bro, these cows don't care.
You guys don't care, do ya?
Hey, Mowgli, run down here.
Run down. Can I try?
Oh, there he is.
I'm just letting y'all know, one of the locals just told me that he has seen the Rangers confiscate electric scooters.
Rangers do consider electric vehicles as motor driven.
Okay.
I've seen them tag the scooters.
Okay. Wow, really?
Yeah.
All right.
Blew me away.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. And this is considered a motorized vehicle, and they will take it.
Only if they catch you. All right, let me take one cruise.
But yeah, he said the Rangers will just take it.
There he goes.
That's what they do best.
See? It's not meant for the dirt. I went in a little bit and I was like, yeah, no.
Yeah. Take it back. I think he probably enjoys it the most. Whoa.
I think it's on sport.
Yeah, it's on the next mode.
That's the one I want to go up. Let's get it.
After like 10 minutes, we'll come looking for you.
It's a chicken. Hello, cow. I'm scared. What do I do? Are you gonna go towards it?
Oh my God, Dan, run.
Dan,
Dan, get away from the bull.
Is that really a bull?
Yes. That's why it's by itself.
Oh. Hey, go chase that bull and climb straight up that hill.
Huh?
Chase it. Go in the bull.
Oh man.
All right, we going. I don't know where we're going, but we're going. I'm looking out for the fuzz. Oh, should we hit this little road gap right here? Why not, right? I guess why not? Hitting the urban terrain, brother. Hitting the streets. I saw it.
I just saw the nice views. Probably same thing you saw, but dude, the views are so nice. I didn't see it. I guess there is buildings up there where I guess
Where it
Rangers could be.
stops? Yeah, I don't know why they had it.
I was like, oh, I see buildings. I'm not going over there.
All right, Nigel, you're good.
Just gonna go roll around. You guys gonna meet me at the car?
Yeah, we'll meet you at the bottom.
All right.
All right, well, I didn't ride it much, so I'm just gonna call upon expert Nigel to give us his final
Expert
opinions.
Uzi.
And Uzi, you too. Hey, can we focus? What do you guys think?
I think this is honestly perfect for inner cities. Like, say you live in the Bay Area or you're in like Detroit or some small city and you're trying to just get around without having to hop on the freeway. This is something definitely to invest in. But
What do you think, Dan?
It was cool. I mean, it was cool. Like Glow and Jason were having like the best time of their lives.
Glow is having
and Mowgli. And you, I feel like all you guys are having like such a good
No,
time.
I was terrified.
That was the best part, is just watching you guys like ride it.
Well, a huge thanks to Onyx for lending us one of these for the week. We're probably gonna do a lot more stuff with this thing,
Towing
so
type video?
stay tuned. We'll see what we get into. We never really know ourselves. And we'll see you guys in the next video. This video is right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you guys, learn how to skateboard, go outside, have fun with your friends. That's what it's all about.